Everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. This is a true RM Roadrunner, and it is a factory D21 4-speed car. Car's out of Virginia. It is an older restoration, but it's been very well maintained. Really, like I say, just a good car. Car's painted Limelight green. This is a correct color for this year, but I don't think it was the original color for the car. Black vinyl interior. It shows 97,000. He believed it to be the original miles, and I mean, I don't see anything, to prove it wrong. I mean, it looks correct. You can see it's got 15-inch chrome American Racing torque thrust all the way around it with the BF Goodrich Radial TAs, the black performance hood striping. One thing I'll tell you, great car, guys. Hits the road outstanding. You'll be hard-pressed to find a nicer driving Roadrunner. The paint, again, it's older. You can nitpick it. Don't think it's a $100,000 show car. It is definitely a local show and cruiser type car. But very, slick. Don't think you're painting the car or anything, but it doesn't have a fresh paint on it. That's the original front bumper, so you can pick that. Glass is good. It's got the dual chrome mirrors on it. Pop out rear windows, which I love. And again, like I say, as you walk around, you can nitpick the paint. Still nice. Don't think that you're going to paint the car, but if you're looking for show paint, it doesn't have that. Taillight bezels are nice. That's just a little something, guys. Something we got on it. Coming off. I think they've replaced that rear bumper. Car's straight down the sides. Sits good. Again, BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around. It's got 255/60s in the rear, so it's got some meats. Great sound, and again, it shifts out nice and tight. The clutch is great. The trans shifts out good. Oh, my guy's left some wax on the wheels there. Again, it's got the chrome torque thrust wheels. They've converted to front disc brakes. There's a touch-up mark here. You can see the touch-up mark there. Would have been an original 3D3 car, which it has in it. This is actually a 68 date-coded 3D3. Again, factory D21 4-speed manual trans car. It's got a Demon. I tell you, this thing runs good, man. It's not a race car, but it pulls really strong, especially for a 3D3. Demon. Dual feed 4-barrel. It's got an Edelbrock Torker air gap intake on it. It's got Hedman ceramic headers. It's got a Mopar Performance camshaft in it. The cam card is in the glove box. You can also see the Mopar Performance air cleaner and valve covers. Aluminum radiator with a flex fan. It's manual steering, which most of the manual shift cars were. Like I say, they've converted it to power disc brakes, electronic ignition. There's your fender tag. Just a good car, man. Like I say, it hits the road great. Very impressed by the way it drove down the road. tell you, everything seems to work on this thing. I didn't find anything that didn't work. A-pillar chrome is nice. Again, dual chrome mirrors, those are original. Looks like they've replaced the door handles. Door seams are clean. Again, he thought this was the original interior, and I don't see anything to doubt that. Factory bench seat interior. It's got a nice simulated wood wheel. Of course, it's got the factory Hurst shifter. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Again, that steering wheel is really nice. 97,000, that's supposed to be the original miles. He said probably 5,000 to 6,000 miles on the resto. Tach works, gauges work up here. He's got some aftermarket gauges down there, they work. That is a factory AM radio with an FM conversion. It does work, and he's got the direction on how to convert it to click the FM on in the glove box for you. H-pipe, Flowmaster dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 355 sure grip rear axle. I believe the car did have quarters put on it. It's all body color in here. Jack was spare. It's even got a chrome spare with it. Car's clean underneath. Again, door seams look good. New sill plates. I've got to believe they replaced the carpet. Again, seats look good. Got a CAN card and the radio instructions are in there as well. The A-pillar chrome's nice. Again, car runs good. Nice little cam. Pulls strong. And like I say, you'll be hard-pressed to find a nicer driving Roadrunner. I mean, this thing hit the road great. Nice and tight. Tach worked. All the gauges are functional in here. And like I say, they do work down below. Park and brake works. Fit and finish is nice on the car. Backup lights work, yeah. That's a good car right there, man.
Repairing it on.
Yeah.
Saving of his house.
Radio definitely works. Blower motor works. Again, reverse light works. Car holds good oil pressure. Wipers are functional. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us, guys.